Hello guys, as you can see, this is Tecno Pop 5. This is Tecno Pop 5. So we are going to bypass the Google account. So you start by, you choose your country, click on next, and here you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So I will choose one and then put the password. After that, you click on connect. Good. Now go back. You click on this plot, add Wi-Fi network. Now you click on this microphone icon. Click on deny. Click on it again. Click on deny. The last one, don't ask again. Click on this allow. Good. Click on permissions. Good. Click there and write set. If it does not work, you write setting. Look for set. This is it. Click on that setting. Open setting. Click on it. Open. So click on that open. And then there you need to scroll down. Scroll this security. Look for security. This is it. Open it. And then you go down, you see this screen pinning, this one down, touch it and then you turn it on also under. Good, that's it. And now you need to put a pattern or a pin, so let's just make the simplest one L. Next, still write it again, L, confirm. Guys, as you can see, their phone is password set. That's it. And now you can, as you can see, this is your phone. Sorry, look, now you can go back and then go back again. Just go back. Just go back and then go in front again, next, so that you should connect again in good. Accept the terms and click on next. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to process. Good. Go down, copy. Click on done copy. Please guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so that YouTube can also propose my videos to others. Please just wait for it to process. Good. As you can see, this is skip, so you just click on that skip and then you skip. That's it guys. As you can see, the lock that was up is gone, so that's it. You go and accept. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video for more recommendation.